We're working developments in the quest to get justice for Jessica. Jessica's suspected killer, 17-year-old Austin Sigg, is expected to be formally charged in court tomorrow. Right now, he's being held without bond on charges of first-degree murder, second-degree kidnapping, and 2 counts of criminal attempt. New at 5, 7 News reporter Russell Haythorne live in Westminster, where a safety program inspired by Jessica's disappearance began this afternoon. Now, Russell, the idea behind this program is still the same, even though the execution of it has changed a little bit.
Right, Mike. Initially, a group of teens from this area wanted to walk younger kids to and from school. The sad irony is the suspect, as you know, ends up being a teenager himself. So now this group is taking a different approach.
You got a bunch of mediums. Are you sure?
Yeah,
All right.
I'll make it fit.
These teenagers are doing a good thing.
Jessica's Angels hit neighborhood streets today.
We need to be buddied up, partnered at all times.
Let's get her done.
The original idea was for teens to walk with younger kids to and from school. But after the arrest of a teenage suspect, growing uneasiness led the Angels to morph into more of a neighborhood watch group.
They are not allowed to attempt to try and apprehend anybody. They are not going to have any interaction with the kids.
We just want to make sure the kids get home safe, not interact with them, basically, but just have an eye out, see if there's anything weird happening.
If I was a parent and I wasn't able to be here watching my kid walk to school or walk back to school, I would want somebody to be here to watch them to make sure that they're safe.
And with the tragedy still fresh here, this presence gives peace of mind.
Everyone was devastated by what happened.
Making sure kids are safe, that's in my heart.
Most of these teenage volunteers are from Arvada West and Pomona high schools. They say they'll keep up this effort as long as they have the volunteers. And again, the suspect due in court for formal charges tomorrow morning. Live in Arvada, Russell Haythorne, 7 News.